Once again, very good morning to all. We are discussing about operations of binary search tree. We have the operations like insert, delete, and traversing. This is also called as searching. We have seen insert and traversing. Only deletion is pending. Today we try to complete this one. So this is a binary tree, has the elements like 9, 5, like 12, 11, 14. So if you want to insert 13 means what will be done? 9 will be remain same, 5 will be remain same, 12, 11, 14, 13. I can insert here. Here I can insert the element. So binary search tree means what? This is called the left subtree, and this is called the right subtree, and this is called the root. The elements that present in the left side should be less than the root, and the element that present right side should be greater than the root. This is the greater than, and this is the less than the root. So in this way we can insert the element here 13. Now I want to, in this tree, I want to delete 13. I want to remove this one. So now what will be the tree? Simple thing. It will be a tree like before. For example, if you want to delete for example, if you want to delete 12 from this tree, you want to delete 12. So what will be the tree? 9, 5. I am deleting the 12 here. So if 11 is here means 14 will be here. One other thing may be like 9, 5. If 14 is here means 11 will be here. Am I right? Simple things. Now I want to delete 9. I can take 11 as a root, 14 will be here. Fourteen will be here. and then 9 will be here and 5 will be here. One other way can be like 11 will be a root, 14 will be here, and then here if we say 5 means 9 will be here. In this way we can able to insert the elements. Do you have lab of data structures? Any one of you please respond. Do you have a lab of data structures? Hello? Anyone, do you have a lab? Is it yes? Somebody said yes. You have lab. You have lab.
Yes, sir.
Who is handling the lab? Hello, who is handling the lab?
Chandana ma'am.
So they're gonna clearly explain about the program I'm doing, right? So I need to explain the concept. Why I am asking means I need to explain the concepts. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
No need of program thing. Okay, thank you. This is how we can able to delete the element. Once again I am briefing, you check it out. Binary search tree means it should be a tree and it should be a binary tree, and elements of left subtree should be less than root, and then elements of right subtree should be greater than root. This is a tree, this is called a root, this one is called a left subtree, and this one is called a right subtree. Screen is not visible for you?
Yes, sir.
Now?
Not visible.
Huh?
Not visible, sir. No, sir.
For me it's showing visible here. For everybody is not visible or what?
Not visible, sir.
Visible, sir.
Screen is visible here.
Visible.
Okay, this is a binary search tree. You be very clear with this. Binary search tree means it should be a tree, and it should be a, but tree means no closed loops. If this is the node, we should not be closed like this. See, this is a closed one, so it should not be like this. This is a tree. Binary tree means every node at most should have 2 nodes.
Sir, not visible, sir.
So binary tree means every node in a tree may have 0 childs or 1 child or 2 child, but not more than 2 childs. That's called the binary tree. Binary search tree means it should be a tree and binary tree, but elements of left subtree should be less than the root and elements of right subtree should be greater than root. The example of a binary tree may be like 21, 20, 24. This is called the binary search tree because this element is less than the root and this element is greater than the root. And coming to the operations, we have inserting a node into the tree, deleting a node into the tree, searching a node into the tree. Now this is a I want to insert 35 in A. I am demonstrating insertion element. How I can insert here? 21 remains same, 20 remains same, 25 remains same, and 35 will be here. This is the inserting. This is there is no restriction that you need to insert in this place. For example, now I want to make you insert the node 35. Now second is insert 35 as a root in tree A. Now this is my question. So this is the A tree, right? In this tree I want to insert a 35 as a root. So current tree is like this: 21, 20, 24. This is A. I want to insert here 35 as a root. So 35 will be root. Elements less than 35 should be left child. So all elements are less than 35, right? This can be the child as a root. This is inserting an element without restrictions. Here I want to insert an element 35 as a root. Like this you can able to perform the insertion operations. Now I want to insert, question is for you. Question for you is, you need to answer. I want to insert 125. Where it will be? Any one of you respond? I want to insert 125. After inserting an element, to this tree I want to insert. To the tree B, I want to insert 125.
35, sir. I attach it to 35. Right side will become, sir.
I want to make a child as 35. Am I right? Because it's right side. So how it
Right
will
side,
be?
sir, greater than. Yes, sir.
Am I right? So 35,
Yes, sir.
because the elements are greater than 35, 25. That's it.
Yes, sir.
This will be same.
As this, sir.
Yes. Now second question is, I want to insert 5.
It will be left side, sir. Left side, sir. 20 below.
Yeah, left child for the 20 node. Simply I will put here left side as 5. Now I want to insert 77.
Right side of the node.
Sir, right side of 24, sir. 20, yeah, 24.
Right side of 24.
Right side of 20, sir. Or 24 or 20.
I want to insert 77 here.
Yes, sir. We can insert 20 or 24. We can insert, sir, right side.
What is the rule of binary search tree? Here the root is,
125.
Smaller.
here root is 35.
Will be smaller. Your right will be greater, sir.
If you insert 77 here means how it is right? Because 35 is lesser than 77.
Yes, sir. 125 above. We have in the middle of 35, 125 not.
Yes. So we will make a 77 here, 125 here. In each and every node in a binary search tree, we should apply it out. This will be the 3. So simple logic for every node. For this node, left side should be smaller, greater. For this node, for every node in a binary tree should be the same. To the root, left side should be less than the root, and right side the element should be greater than the root. I hope now it's clear, right? Final test.
Yes, sir.
I want to insert this one 12. Where you can insert a 12? To this C. Final question.
Between 5 and 20.
Right side of 20.
Right side of 20. Right side means element should be greater than 20, yaar.
Sir, between 5 and 20. 5 and 20.
You are right. Between
5 and 20.
5 and 20.
5 and 20.
So 20, right? Then we will put 12. Here will be
And
5.
here.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So then this will be the insertion operations.
Yes, sir.
Now I want to delete. We will go now reverse. We will go the deletion now. Deletion of node in a binary search tree. How we I want to delete 12. What will be the tree?
25.
This will be removed. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So how will be the tree? 35, 21 to 20, and it will be 5, and remaining all are same. Now I want to delete 35.
Root node.
You want to make 77 root node?
Yes.
Here we have a problem. What is the problem means? Which node to make the root? To solve this kind of problems, we will go for the next topic called AVL trees. We will discuss in next topic, okay? This point is very, very important. Now we are feeling difficult that which node we want to make a root. So randomly we are making now. As you said, if I make the 77 as a root means 125, 21,
35.
25.
20.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the deletion operation. Now I will draw one tree. You need to answer to me. If we delete, what happens? You can see a tree, BS tree. Screen is visible, yaar. Now you can able to see a tree, right, on the screen.
Yes, sir.
Now I want to delete 33. What will be the tree now? I want to delete 33.
That.
Hmm.
That is
So till this part will never
Okay,
changes. Will never change. Am I right?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then where is a change? This will be deleted. Then what one you want to make node? If you make a 44 node,
Hello.
if you make a 44 node means this thing will be there. This right?
We have to make 37, sir, node.
If you make a 44 means this one. If you make a 37 means this one. This will be attached to 22. This will be attached to 22. So do anybody having doubt in the insertion and deletion operation?
No, sir.
Now we go for last one, searching. In this tree, I want to search an element 5. How we will search? First one is compare. Let me write in the starting. Step 1. What is step 1? Compare search element with root element in a tree. So I am comparing. This is a search element. Comparing, what is the result? Element is greater than root. Am I right? So we will not search the left one. We will search the right one. Then we will follow the right side root node. Then we will compare. 5 is equal to 5. So 2 steps is required. How many steps required? 2 steps. Half of the tree is omitted with the help of the binary search tree. This is the good application to searching an element or to retrieve an element, to store an element. Like this, we have different applications. I will draw one more tree. 22, 11, 14, 13. (26), 29. Now I want to delete. I want to search for. Search element is 14. What to do now? 14 is compared with what? 22. Lesser or greater than? Lesser. So we will delete this one. We will not search. We will not search in right subtree. Then we will go to left subtree. In left subtree, what we will search? 14 with 11. Not equal. So we go for what? It is lesser or greater? Such element is greater. So we go for right side. This is right side.
Greater.
Yeah, then 14 is equal to 14. So 3 steps. Like this, the element can be searched. Now you want me to say the steps. I will draw one thing. I want to search 5. How many steps we require? First 5 with 2. Greater 5 equal to 5. Found element. First step, second step. Understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Now I want to use some other elements like 9, 4. Now I want to search 4. Can you say what is the thing for the 4? Any one of you ask them to mute here. You should come in time. Okay. Can you say how many steps here? To search the element 4. I want to search the element 4. How many steps we require here?
4 steps.
2 steps.
2 steps?
3 steps. 3 steps. 3 steps.
What is the first step?
Hello, sir.
with 2 and 4. Second step
Yes, sir.
with 5 and 2.
4 and 7.
Third step is, what is third step? 4 and 4. In the third step we will found the element. This is the things we have discussed so far. You have any doubt regarding the tree or binary search tree, you please get clarified now.